At some point, everyone learns this lesson. If you don't draw the line, someone else will cross it. And that is also the reason thorns grow around what matters. They don't harm unless provoked, and they don't chase. They simply make one thing clear. Not everything or everyone is welcome here. That is Thurisaz. In the Elder Futhark, Thurisaz is the rune of the thorn, the giant, the hammer, symbols of raw force and natural defense. This rune is about protection with teeth. Thurisaz shows up when boundaries are required, when energy, people, or patterns have crossed a line you forgot to draw. In rune magic, Thurisaz is used for protection, warding, and energetic clearing. It carries a gatekeeper energy. It's the rune you work with when something feels wrong, but you can't yet explain why. When you need to cut cords, block interference, or guard your space, physically, emotionally, or spiritually. It's carved, drawn on a carrier, and activated when you need to hold your ground, not through aggression, but through clarity. Thurisaz defines space with its brutal truth, all the way to the conflict, if needed. It is what it is, and deal with it. Sharp, deadly weapon that only a giant can handle. This is not soft energy. Thurisaz doesn't soothe, it pushes back. That's why intention matters. Because when you use Thurisaz in a rune formula or stave, you're not asking politely. You're setting a boundary that universe can't ignore. You use it to keep something out, to shield your energy, to clear hostile influence. In divination, this rune often arrives as a warning light. Upright, it says, get ready to protect what is important. There may be hidden resistance, conflict, or a force working against you. Your strength will be tested soon, so be aware. Forewarned is forearmed. Reversed, Thurisaz suggests weakened defenses, anger turned inward, a boundary delayed too long, hidden conflict, or self-destructive patterns. And the message becomes clear. What should have been protected but wasn't? Take a sheet of paper and draw a Thurisaz. Set your intention in every line of the symbol and chant the name of the rune while you're drawing it. Thurisaz. Bring the symbol into your focus. Sit with it. Let its energy meet yours. You may not feel a great surge of energy at first, but you'll notice a shift. The boundaries are set. The space around you feels clearer, firmer, protected. If this resonates, there are many more rune magic stories and teachings waiting on this channel. Like the video and subscribe if you find value. And when insight is ready to become practice, explore the links in the description for advanced rune magic and related work. Rune knowledge is just the seed. Practice is the true magic.